Hi everyone, my name is Francesca, welcome to my channel. Incredibly, we are already in December. This year is finally coming to an end and I can't wait to say hi to 2021. I'm sure it will be a better year. Today I'm setting up with you December in my bullet journal, using the printable journal kit available in my Patreon community. The theme I chose is Classic Christmas. I always decorated this month thinking about this holiday, but I never did this particular theme, with a classic Christmas palette full of greens and reds. I'm very satisfied with the result. It is warm and cozy, and I hope you like it too. Last year I felt the Christmas atmosphere a lot. I watched a lot of movies, then the walks around the decorated and shiny city, and the happiness. This year I'm feeling it less. It started to be cold only lately here in Italy, and I didn't have the occasion yet to go to the city to see it decorated. But I already made the Christmas tree at home, and some days ago I also did a little one for my studio. Have you already made the Christmas tree? Let me know in the comments when you usually set it up. This month I'm using the same calendar style as last month, but I drew rounded corners to make it even cuter. To do it, I used dark red pens to match the theme. After setting up the calendar, I noted the important days. On December the 7th, I have an appointment for a tattoo. And I can't wait. I chose an illustration by Amy Hurls, and the tattoo artist is super talented. I'm so happy I'm finally getting inked by her. I will surely share the tattoo in my Instagram stories, so if you're curious, be sure to follow me there. At this point, I start to decorate the page. I rip up a piece of the scrapbooking paper of the kit and I stick the green December sticker. I add some details with a white gel pen and then I use other stickers to embellish the calendar. In this spread, I'm also using the little DIY red envelope of the collection. The next page is very simple. I apply one of the collages of my December kit and some banners to create the sections I need on my overview page. Now, these two pages are an addition since we enter in the holiday season. In the first one I'm using the coloring advent calendar I made for you to download. It's in A5 size and I also made a version with a dotted background. You can find the link to download it in the description box. If you will use it, tag me on Instagram. I will be happy to see your versions. On the other page, I create a very simple spread to note some gift ideas. Now I draw the first weekly layout of December. I decided to use all the brown stickers and create a spread dedicated to gingerbread. 2 years ago I tried to build a gingerbread house from zero with my boyfriend and my sister. It was super hard, but the house turned out cute. And we ended up without eating it because it was too hard to build and we didn't want to destroy it. The layout I'm using here is very graphic and I think I never tried it before. I always like to change layouts and try new ones. Talking about spreads, let me know if you would enjoy a flip-through video of my 2020 bullet journal. In the first part of the year I didn't use it a lot. There are all the monthly spreads but not so many weeklies. Instead, from September, when I found again the motivation and the utility of using this method, I started using it every day, and there are a lot of weekly spreads you probably didn't saw since I haven't even posted them on Instagram. So let me know in the comments if you're interested to see it anyway, and if so, I will commit to shooting the video towards the end of the year. And here we are. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and the Christmas atmosphere of the kit. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you want, subscribe to my channel. I wish you a beautiful month full of joy and positivity, and Merry Christmas! Bye!